Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to sell stickers on RedBubble. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the RedBubble website. If you already have an account, click Login. Otherwise, click Sign Up. On the Sign Up page, don't sign up as a customer. Instead, click Artist Sign Up. Enter your email address, choose a shop name, create a secure password, and complete the sign-up process. Once you've signed up, you'll be taken to your RedBubble dashboard. Here, you'll see a checklist that will guide you through setting up your shop and preparing it for selling. The first step is to create products. RedBubble requires you to upload at least 5 original designs before your shop can go live, so keep that requirement in mind as you begin uploading your artwork. Before uploading your artwork, you can click Check Product Formatting to review the recommended file requirements. Take a moment to read through these recommendations because following them will help your products look much better when printed and will reduce the chances of blurry or low-quality designs. For stickers, PNG files with a transparent background are recommended. Using a transparent background allows your sticker to have clean edges without an unwanted white box surrounding the design. Your artwork should be at least 300 dpi, and RedBubble recommends a size of at least 2800 by 2800 pixels for the best print quality. If you're creating your own stickers, it's always a good idea to use high-resolution artwork so it looks sharp on every available sticker size. Now click Add New Work. Complete the security verification if it appears. Once you've passed the verification, click Upload New Work and select your sticker design from your computer. Wait a few moments while the file uploads completely. After uploading, choose your preferred language and enter a clear title for your artwork. Try to use a title that accurately describes your design so customers can easily understand what your sticker is about. Next, add relevant tags to help customers find your design. You can add up to 15 tags. Use keywords that closely match your artwork because good tags can improve your visibility in RedBubble search results and help attract more potential buyers. Then write a short description explaining your artwork or its inspiration. A simple description gives customers more information about your design and can make your listing look more professional. If your design has a transparent background, you can leave the background color settings as they are. Scroll down to preview how your design looks on different products, including stickers. This preview allows you to check whether your artwork is centered correctly and looks the way you expect before publishing it. Under the Media section, select the categories that best describe your artwork, such as digital art or drawing. Choosing the correct categories helps RedBubble organize your work more accurately. Leave the default product option set to optimize. This allows RedBubble to automatically recommend the products that are most likely to appeal to different customers. Choose whether everyone can view your work or keep it private if you're still making changes. If your artwork doesn't contain mature content, select No. Then agree to the RedBubble user agreement and click Save Work. Your design will begin processing. Depending on the file size, this may take a few moments, so wait until the upload is fully completed. Remember, you'll need to upload at least 5 designs before your shop can be published. Continue repeating the same process until you've uploaded all 5 of your original sticker designs. After uploading your designs, return to the dashboard and complete your shop setup. Add a profile picture, upload a cover image, write a short bio about yourself, and include any social media links you'd like your visitors to see. A complete profile helps make your shop look more trustworthy and professional. Then verify your account by adding your name, address, confirming your email, verifying your phone number, and entering your payment details. Make sure all of your information is accurate so there are no delays when your account is reviewed or when you receive payments. Once everything is completed, RedBubble will review your account. The review process can take up to 5 business days, and during this time your shop will remain private while RedBubble completes its verification process. While you're waiting, you can continue creating more sticker designs and preparing your shop for future customers. After your account is approved, your shop will go live, and customers from around the world will be able to browse and purchase your stickers. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.